MakeupClasses.com. Welcome and welcome back to the channel. Today is Makeup Tip Monday number 12. This is some really useful information and I think you're going to enjoy it. So number 12 goes like this: always leave your space cleaner than the way you found it. Yes, makeup artists, you cannot be sloppy, no, or you will not get hired back. This is like a rule, no matter what location you work in, whether it's someone's home for bridal work or a hotel room or a TV set, a film set, a photography studio. It is really important that you are super duper professional at all times, and that means cleaning up your space. Now, when I go on location, the first thing that I do is I find the space, make sure it is well lit, conducive to the work that I'm doing. If it's not well lit, make sure you have your ring lights with you. I check out the space and then I start setting up. Sometimes, in fact, the space may not be as clean as you would like it. So take out those wipes that you brought in your makeup kit and wipe the space down. You could always use a little bit of 99% alcohol to wipe your space as well. And then when you're done, you have to clean up. Yes, if you're working in someone's home, let's say it's over a rug and you want to clean up, you got something on the rug, make sure you do clean that up. You may even have to vacuum or sweep the space. But this is why you really want to be a true professional makeup artist that knows what they're doing when it comes to product. So you're not getting things all over the floor, you're not getting dust all over, and there is a correct way of applying makeup where you don't do that. So check out all of my videos here on YouTube to learn more makeup application techniques and enroll in my classes, in my 20 and 40-hour class, and you will learn the professional way of how to apply makeup and you'll avoid a ton of mess. But if you are a messy person or you are making a mess, or for instance, maybe you're working on special effects and that can be very messy, you want to clean up your space before you leave. That is so important. It's those little things. Remember, it's the little things that matter in your career that get you the jobs, that keep you hired. So cleaning up, being professional, being polite, respecting people's space, can't stress it enough. Well guys, I hope today's Makeup Tip Monday helps. Check out all of the makeup tips on Instagram. There is a makeup tip button and you can click on that and see all of the makeup tips that I have so far. I'll see you next time on MakeupClasses.com. Bye everyone.